Hi, this is Takita from IMECHEN. Today, a brand new IMECHEN renovation has just been completed in Shibuya, Tokyo, so I would like to introduce you to the room. This project was handled by our IMECHEN Shimokitazawa branch. So I'd like to interview Mr. Nishio about what kind of work was done. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
So, could you tell us the basic overview of this property?
Sure, this is a condominium located in Shibuya Ward, Tokyo. The owner purchased this pre-owned unit to live in and asked us to renovate it before moving in.
Thank you. By the way, how old is the building?
It's 22 years old, so relatively new as far as older condos go.
I see. And what about the size?
It's 78 square meters.
So what was the original layout, and how does it look now?
Originally, it was a 2LDK, but we added a storage room, so it's now a 2SLDK layout.
I see. Thank you. So, for this project, the client renovated the unit to live in personally. And if I'm not mistaken, this request came through our IMECHEN Concierge service, right?
Yes, exactly.
That means the client consulted with us before purchasing the property. And after they actually bought it, we supported them through the renovation process.
That's right.
All right, could you walk us through what kind of renovation work was done here?
Sure.
Now, Mr. Nishio, I'd love to start the tour and hear all about the transformation.
Sure.
The first thing that totally caught my eye the moment I walked in was this kitchen. It's such a striking feature. This whole section was part of the renovation, right?
Yes, exactly.
Could you explain what was done here?
Sure. The original kitchen was a closed-off space, but the owner wanted an open counter-style layout. So we rotated the entire kitchen 90 degrees from its original direction, turned it into a counter-facing layout, and brought it over to this side.
I see. So now, the kitchen faces directly toward the living area. But originally, it was rotated 90 degrees and enclosed. Basically, a separate kitchen room surrounded by walls.
Exactly.
So you removed those walls, opened up the whole space, and created this airy, open kitchen with a counter facing the living area.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. And speaking of the kitchen itself, the counter design is really beautiful and stylish. Which manufacturer is this counter from?
This is a gate-style countertop made by IKEA. We used to custom-build similar counters from scratch through our carpentry team. But since IKEA offers this shape as a ready-made product, we chose it this time to keep costs down. The surface is a melamine countertop, and inside we installed ribbed panels to give the kitchen its signature look.
I see. Honestly, it looks like a completely custom-made piece. The nice counter, paired with the ribbed panel finish, looks amazing. So all of this can be created using ready-made components?
Exactly.
That's impressive. Thank you. I think it turned out really stylish and chic. And, before we move on to the main kitchen unit, I have to say, this huge door on the back side is also super striking. Could you tell us more about this part?
Sure. We installed a large storage unit on the back side.
Wow.
It's designed so that you can store everything here, including kitchen appliances. And when guests come over, you simply close the doors and everything stays out of sight.
I see. So it can serve as a place for appliances, but also like a little pantry, depending on how you use it.
Exactly.
With open kitchens like this, especially when you remove the overhead cabinets to keep the open feeling, you usually lose a bit of storage space. But you've completely solved that by adding this well-sized back storage unit. And since it has doors, nothing looks cluttered.
That's right.
Thank you. And that recessed area next to it is the refrigerator space?
Yes.
Got it. All right, let's take a look at the main kitchen unit itself. This kitchen looks incredibly stylish too. Which manufacturer is this from?
This is TOTO's Crasso series.
Crasso, got it. It really stands out. I'm not sure how well it shows on camera, but the countertop has this kind of translucent, almost crystalline look, doesn't it?
Yes. The client specifically chose this special high-end countertop.
It looks very elegant. Would you say this is one of the higher grade options?
Definitely. Within TOTO's lineup, Crasso is their top-tier kitchen.
I see, thank you. And it also comes with a dishwasher?
Yes. The client requested a front opening type, so we installed this pull-out rack style that's really easy to load and use.
The storage capacity looks great as well. Which manufacturer is the dishwasher from?
This is from Rinnai, a Japanese brand.
Nice. Lately, for front opening dishwashers, you often see the European brand Miele in Japan. But good to know Japanese brand also makes a front opening model.
Yes.
Thank you. And for the cooktop, it's a 3-burner gas stove with a built-in grill. You also installed a range hood above it.
Yes.
And this space on the side. This section here. Is this a structural column?
Yes, there's a column inside. It didn't appear on the original drawings, but once we opened up the walls during demolition, we discovered it. So we quickly revised the plan and built the kitchen cabinetry to wrap around and incorporate the column.
That's right. I was involved in the project through the concierge service as well. And in the initial plan, we designed everything assuming there was no column here.
Yes.
But when the demolition started, a small column appeared unexpectedly.
That's right. It's just a thin column that supports the beam above. But it definitely gave us a bit of a scare.
I can imagine. So you had to urgently redraw the plan. And ended up with this beautiful result.
Exactly.
Thank you. And this space next to the kitchen. Is this the restroom?
Yes, that's right.
Would you mind showing us inside?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Was the toilet newly installed for this renovation?
No, this one is original. We reused the existing toilet.
I see. If I remember correctly, the toilet space itself was reused almost exactly as it was before, right?
Yes, that's right. The layout is entirely unchanged from the original.
Is only the door finished with a new sheet?
Yes. We covered it with a denox sheet to give it a clean, updated look.
So, for viewers, I'm not sure how well it shows on camera. But, in the original layout, there was a closed kitchen on this side. And the route to the toilet passed through here. Now almost everything is open and spacious. You opened up the area into a much larger space, except for that one remaining column. While the toilet in the back was preserved, and integrated into the new layout.
Exactly.
Thank you. So, there are a lot of other areas I'd like to take a look at. But let's check the space to the right of this black door next.
Sure.
May I take a look inside?
Of course. This is a two-way circulation route from the kitchen. And we created a walk-in closet and an additional storage room inside.
I see. Do you mind if I step inside?
Please do.
So it's a two-way layout. On the right side here is the entrance to the bedroom. And you can also access it from the kitchen. There's a shelf and hanging pipe. And over here, you've installed adjustable shelves.
Yes, exactly.
Looks like there's a ton of storage space here.
Definitely.
So, what was this area originally?
Originally, this was the back wall at the far end of the kitchen.
I see. There's what looks like a service door here. So the kitchen used to run sideways right along this wall, right?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. Since we have this nice two-way flow, why don't we go through this passage and head into the bedroom?
Sure.
Alright, so this is the first bedroom. Regarding this room, what kind of renovation work was done?
All the interior doors were replaced with new ones. We also installed an overlay-style flooring, and the wallpaper was completely redone.
Thank you. I don't think we mentioned it at the beginning. But what kind of overlay flooring did you use throughout the unit this time?
We used Panasonic's Uswita series.
Is that ultra-thin, 1.5mm flooring?
Yes, that's right.
So the flooring was installed on top of the existing floor, and the wallpaper was replaced.
Exactly.
For the wallpaper, you went with gray tone on the ceiling and the upper part of the walls, and kept the lower walls white.
Yes. That's how we designed it.
It has a clean and stylish feel. Very nicely done.
Thank you.
And you also replaced all the doors in here. Earlier we saw that the toilet door was kept as is, and just refaced with sheet. But in this bedroom, did you completely swap them out for new ones?
Yes, that's right.
And everything is unified with plain white doors throughout.
Exactly.
Great, thank you. Alright, let's head back to the living room for a moment. Since we're here, why don't we go through the new interior door you installed? I see, this brings us out right next to the kitchen. And over here is the two-way access space we walked through earlier. Okay, now we're back in the living room. In this living space, aside from the kitchen, the big thing that stands out is this full-height storage door on the opposite wall. Did you do any work on this storage?
The storage itself is original, but the doors had become slightly discolored from sunlight. So we refinished them with a Dynoc decorative sheet to give them a clean look.
Thank you. And could we take a look at the entrance area next?
Of course. In the entryway, we kept the existing marble flooring as is. And there's a shoe cabinet here. We also applied Dynoc sheet to the doors to refresh the appearance.
Thank you. Since the new flooring is the 1.5mm Uswita, the height difference from the original floor is extremely minimal, which allowed you to keep the existing threshold and entry step without any issues, right?
Exactly.
And about the baseboards, I noticed the ones you used are quite slim and neat this time. What kind did you use?
We installed Panasonic's smart baseboard all around.
Smart baseboards, got it. Are these wooden baseboards?
Yes.
Normally, wooden baseboards tend to be bulkier, but this smart baseboard is slimmer and gives a sleek, unobtrusive look.
Exactly.
Thank you. Alright, let's move on and take a look at the water areas.
Sure, right this way.
What kind of space is this?
This area includes the new washing machine space, and we also custom built a new vanity unit.
Great. So this whole section was newly constructed?
Yes, that's right. And this is the vanity.
Which manufacturer is this from?
This time we used ICA's Smart Sanitary U system for the vanity.
ICA's Smart Sanitary U, got it. It's the counter-type model without cabinet doors below.
Exactly.
Is this three-way mirror also from ICA?
No, the mirror is from Sanwa Company.
Sanwa Company, got it. Thank you. And next to it is the washing machine area. This washing machine pan looks a bit wider than usual, is it?
The width is actually standard size, but we went with a raised type pan because the building management sometimes does high-pressure water cleaning in the units.
I see, so it has these legs to raise it up. And it creates extra space under the pipes. That makes it easier for maintenance crews to access the plumbing during cleaning.
Exactly.
Thank you. Did you replace the laundry faucet as well?
Yes, we did.
And you added adjustable shelves up top here too. Thank you.
And over here is the new bathroom.
It looks so sleek and modern. Which manufacturer is this from?
This is TOTO's WI series.
I see. And it comes with the reheating function, as well as a bathroom dryer.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you.
Now, let's move on to the next room.
Sure. So this is the bedroom located next to the entrance.
Yes.
What kind of work did you do in here?
Here we installed an overlay wood flooring and replaced the wallpaper.
So it's finished in the same style as the first room, keeping everything consistent.
Exactly.
And this closet was also finished with a Dynex sheet as well?
That's right.
So, this room also has the same Usuita flooring applied as the other areas, right?
Yes.
I remember that. This unit originally had underfloor heating in the living room. And you've put Usuita flooring down in the living room too. So, does that mean the Usuita flooring works with floor heating as well?
Yes, absolutely. The living room already had underfloor heating from before. So in that area, we specifically used the underfloor heating compatible version of Usuita.
I see. So basically there are two variants of Usuita. One that's safe for use over underfloor heating, and one that isn't, right?
Exactly.
For this project, you use the heating compatible version only in the living room. And for the other rooms you use the regular type without floor heating support.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. Alright, that wraps up the room tour. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, how much did this entire renovation cost?
The total was 7 million yen, including tax.
7 million yen. Thank you. Considering that budget, you changed the kitchen layout quite a lot. Installed a high-grade kitchen, and upgraded the bathroom. And other equipment as well. So I think we were able to create a really nice renovation overall.
Thank you.
In this case, the client was just about to purchase the property. And they used our IMECHEN Concierge service beforehand. We discussed the renovation budget and general plans, and afterward, we proceeded with the actual construction. I think there are many people who want to buy a pre-owned condo and turn it into their perfect home.
Absolutely.
But realistically, it's quite difficult to have detailed renovation meetings before the purchase is finalized.
That's true.
So with IMECHEN, our headquarters provides the IMECHEN Concierge service, where we help clients get a rough estimate and general budget image. Once it moves to the on-site inspection stage, our partner contractors visit the property and prepare the actual quote. By coordinating between headquarters and our partner stores, we're able to turn the customer's requests into reality. And actually, this client is our very first IMECHEN Concierge customer, since we launched it this year.
That's right.
Thank you very much. And we hope to continue helping more customers bring their ideal homes to life.
Absolutely.
Thank you. At IMECHEN, we can assist with renovation consultations, even before you purchase the property. So please feel free to contact IMECHEN Concierge anytime. Thank you so much for today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. At IMECHEN, we offer two nationwide renovation plans. A flat-rate renovation service for rental properties called IMECHEN, and another service for pre-owned homes called IMECHEN Next. You can download the brochures for both IMECHEN and IMECHEN Next from our official websites. If you haven't gotten yours yet, please make sure to check them out. We're also currently holding our in-person training program, the School of Renovation. It's a 3-day course where you can learn the fundamentals of renovation and the basics of rental property sales. This program is designed especially for those working in renovation companies. So if you're interested, please take a look at the link in the description below for more details.